Build up your house on a good foundation so that you may survive the storm. Because life is full of storms, and the house is your human flesh. The foundation is Jesus Christ and the Word of God. The only good foundation that can make you stand when the storm comes, when nobody else can stand there for you, when you look to the left and to the right and you still can't find a way out. That's when He shows up. Elohim, the living Son of the living God, the one and only God above all. And some will say I'm too religious because I say it like that, because I lay it down like that. But those are basic information. You don't have to be religious to say that. You just have to have the courage to say the truth when it has to be spoken. I don't fear. I have courage to stand for what I believe and to die for it. I'm one of the few people in my age that are possibly gonna die for my faith. I'm not afraid of death as long as I die for justice and for what I believe is true. We live all our life pretending and fearing the world. I have been like that before, but that was then. Now, I'm just another kind of guy. And the guy I am now takes only God to stop me. So let's get together and become courageous. Let's put away fear. The fear of saying the right thing or the wrong thing. The fear of doing everything perfect. Let's make it right now. Get together, communicate, love one another, and stop gossiping. Stop gossiping.